Hi, good evening from the large beauty city again. Hope you are all doing fine. So, our previous video we discussed about cleanser. So, like I promised that any questions that are going to attend to, anyone asks if it's good to use cleanser before bathing or after bathing. Okay, well, depends on the kind of cleanser you are using. There are some cleanser that are best to use before bathing, like when you are using like pure Delin, la 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 cleanser. Those, if you have sensitive skin, I think it's best to use such cleanser before you bathe. In the morning you just cleanse your face with it, then when you are bathing you wash it out. Then the same thing, like when you're taking your bath in the evening, you do like the same thing. So because that's some cleanser, you use cleanser that is so harsh and you leave it on your face without washing it out, sometimes you might develop white patches, something that looks like eczema on your face. So I think the next question is it compulsory to use cleanser? No, it's not compulsory to use cleanser, but it's necessary. So depends on what you are trying to achieve. So cleanser is not compulsory. I think the most important thing is your toner, serum and moisturizer and sunscreen. So using a cleanser is not compulsory. So the previous video I said that today we are going to talk about Vaseline Gluta. Yeah. So I want to talk about this because one of my customers draw my attention to this. She got this, and after some time she came back to complain that the Vaseline is not giving her what she wants. So I asked her what she's using the Vaseline with. She said she used it alone. Please, this Vaseline, they have different types. They have this flawless brightening, they have daily brightening, they have total brightening. So it depends on the one you are using. Please, this Vaseline is just more like a body serum, because if you know about it, if you are using it, when you use, once you use it, you discover that the thing absorbs immediately. So it's good to pair this with either good body lotion or body oil to get the adequate result you want.